So I just put vinegar in here. Lots of vinegar. Lots of it. Ah, yeah.
Just put a lot in there. Just put so much. Just make it just explode. Yeah.
There's chemistry up in here.
Bro, I think that's enough, bro. We should save the vinegar for later, bro. Bro, I think that's enough, bro.
I smell my hand full of crap.
Now, what are you gonna do next, bro? I mean, you first have to put the tent. You have to first put plastic wrap. Oh, you need some plastic wrap too.
You don't know anything about.
Oh, and the ingredients.
No, you don't know anything about making drugs.
Be quiet, bro. This is not making drugs. We're just making this nothing. Hello, guys. We're gonna do a surprise today.
Yeah, doing a surprise on my brother.
Just be quiet.
My brother's so weak.
That much you're gonna need. You can put as much vinegar in the bottle as you want.
Yes, and we're gonna put so much. It's gonna be a whole entire explosion. I think. Yeah. Check how much that is.
Okay, that's enough, bro. Bro, I think that's enough. Dude, stop. Bro, come on, bro. Stop playing around. Oh, you got powder all over you.
It's not powder. It's baking soda. I got
Baking soda. I'm in love with the cocoa.
Yeah, I think that's too much.
Yeah, I think that's too much. Fill a little. Oh, bro, hurry up. Get the cap. Bro. Aiden! The chemical reaction.
I don't know what's gonna happen, but get used to the juice.
Shake it.
No,
You have to shake it.
I'm not exploring myself.
Bro, shake it. Just shake it. No, put it down. Just throw it.
What happened to the